Hello everyone. Today we will discuss phylum Arthropoda, subphylum Mandibulata. So the subphylum Mandibulata is divided into four classes. First class Crustacea, second one Chelopoda, third one Diplopoda, fourth one Insecta. The subphylum Mandibulata is containing four classes. Class 1 Crustacea, class 2 Chelopoda, class 3 Diplopoda, class 4 Insecta. So previous class discuss class 1 Crustacea. So next class discuss class 2 Chelopoda, class 3 Diplopoda. First one class 2 Chelopoda. It includes centipedes, So the class 1 Chelopoda, so the Chelopoda includes centipedes. So they are include centipedes. Next one, so these animals are, so this class Chelopoda animals are living in terrestrial. They are living in terrestrial, air breathing and carnivorous animal. So in these animals are the living in terrestrial, so they are the air breathing and they are the carnivorous animals. Carnivorous means they are only eating meat, only non-vegetarians, like, so they are the carnivorous animals. Next one, the body divided into two regions. Body divided into two regions. Head and trunk. Body is divided into head and trunk. So the body is divided into head and trunk. So they are the head, so they are the trunk. Head and trunk. Next one, the trunk. So the trunk contains segments. Trunk contains segments. So each segment contains one pair of legs. Each segment contains one pair of the legs. So the body divided into head and trunk. So the trunk contains segments. So the each segment contains a pair of legs. So the first pair leg. First pair leg is poisonous. Contain poisonous clave. So the first pair, so they are the first pair. The first pair leg is modified into poisonous claves. Next one, respiratory organs. So they are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs. So the excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. So these are the class Chelopoda. Example, Scolopendra. So they are the class Chelopoda. Once revised, so the class Chelopoda, so it include centipedes. So centipede means, so they are the 100 leggers, below 100 legs. 100 legs. So they are the centipedes. So the it includes the centipedes. So this class Chilopoda is also called as centipede. Chilopoda is also called as centipede. So it includes the centipedes. Next one, so these animals are the terrestrial, air breathing and carnivorous animal. Terrestrial, air breathing and carnivorous animals. Next one, body divided into two regions, head and trunk. Body is divided into two regions. One is the head, another one is the trunk. Next one, head region contain eyes and antennas. Next one, the trunk contain segments. The trunk contain segments. So each segment contain one pair of legs. Each segment contain one pair of leg. So the first pair of leg is modified into poisonous claves. The first pair of legs is modified into poisonous claves. Next one, the respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Example, Scolopendra. Example, Scolopendra. Next one, class 3 Diplopoda. Class 3 Diplopoda. So these animals are the millipedes. It includes millipedes. Millipedes means, so they are the 1,000-leggers. 1,000 legs. So it is includes the millipedes. So this class includes the millipedes. Diplopoda is also called as millipedes. Next one, so these are living in terrestrial. They are living in terrestrial and air breathing animals. Terrestrial and air breathing animals. So these food materials are the plant decaying materials. Plant decaying materials. Plant decaying materials. So their food materials are the plant decaying materials. Next one, so the body divided into two regions. Body divided into two regions. Two regions, head and trunk. Body divided into two regions. One is the head, another one is the trunk. Next one, the head contain antenna. Next one, two pairs of antenna, pair of antenna, mandible and maxillae presenting on the head region. Head contain antennae, mandibles and maxillae. Head contain mandibles and maxillae and antennae. The head contain antennae, mandible and maxillae. Next one, trunk contain segments. Trunk contain segments. Trunk contain segments. Each segment contain two pairs of legs. Each segment contain two pairs of legs. The trunk contain segments. Each segment contain two pairs of legs. Each segment contain two pairs of legs. Next one, respiratory organ. So the respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs. So the excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Example, Julius. Example, Julius. So they are the Diplopoda. Once revise Diplopoda. So the Diplopoda, it includes millipedes. Diplopoda animals include the millipedes. Millipedes means, so they are the below 1000 legs. Below 1000 legs. Next one. So they are living in terrestrial. They are living in terrestrial and air breathing, and they are eating materials are the plant decaying matters. Food materials are the plant decaying materials. Next one. Body divided into two regions. Body is divided into two regions. One is the head and one is the head, another one is the trunk. Head and trunk. Next one. So the trunk contain a pair of segments, antennas. Head contain antenna, mandibles and maxillae. Head contain antennae, mandibles and maxillae. Next one. Trunk contain segments. The trunk contain segments. So the each segment contain two pairs of legs. Each segment contain two pairs of legs. Next one, respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Example, Julius. Example, Julius. 4 marks, very very important question. Differences between the centipedes and millipedes. Differences between the centipedes and millipedes. 4 marks, very very important question. Chelopoda and Diplopoda. Next one, class 4. Next one, class 4. So the class 4 insecta. Class 4 insecta. So the insecta, class 4 insecta. So they are the largest class of Animalia. Insect class is the, it is a largest class of kingdom Animalia. So it is the largest class of kingdom Animalia. So the insects are the largest class of insecta. So kingdom Animalia. So it has a many animals presenting in the class insecta. Many animals presenting in the class insecta. So these class insecta animals are the cosmopolitan. So the cosmopolitan animals. Cosmopolitan animals. So the cosmopolitan animals means, so they are the all the world, any area, any place presenting on the these insects all over world. So in any place presenting on the insects. Next one. So the body divided into 3 parts. Body divided into 3 parts. Into 3 parts. Body divided into 3 parts. 1 head, 2 thorax, 3 abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. So the body divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Next one, head contain antenna, compound eyes, head contain antenna, compound eyes and mandibles and maxillae presenting on the head. Head presenting antenna, compound eyes, mandibles and mandibullae. So the presenting on the unlabeled mandibulum is presenting, unveiled labrum is present, unlabeled labrum is present. Next one, so the thorax contain thorax contain 3 segments. Thorax contain 3 segments. Each segment contain each segment contain a pair of legs. Each segment containing a pair of legs. Totally how many legs? 6 legs presenting on the insecta. So this class insecta is also called as hexapoda. Hence, so this is called as hexapoda. So it is also called as hexapoda. Hexa means 6, poda means legs. So they are presenting on the 6 legs. So this class is also called as hexapoda. Next one, thorax also contain a thorax also contain one to two pairs, 1 to 2 pairs of wings present or wings absent. Wings is present or absent. Present maybe one pair or 2 pairs of wings is present or wings are completely absent. In the thorax contain a 1 pair or 2 pairs of wings is present or wings is absent. Next one, respiratory organs. Next one, respiratory organs. So the respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs. So the excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Next one, development is the indirect development. Development is the indirect development. Indirect development. So the indirect development means contain a larval stages. Larval stages. Example, cockroach. Cockroach, butterfly, housefly. So they are the insects. Once revise. So they are the class 4 insecta. So they are the largest class of kingdom Animalia. Largest class of kingdom Animalia. So they are the cosmopolitan animals. Cosmopolitan animals means, so they are all the areas are presenting on the insects. Next one, his body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. Head region contain a compound eyes, antenna and mandibles and maxillae. Presenting on the compound eyes, antennae, mandible and maxillae. Next one, thorax contain a 3 pairs of legs. Thorax contain a 3 pairs of legs. So the class insecta is also called as hexapoda. Class insecta is also called as hexapoda because of they contain a 6 legs. 3 pairs of legs means 6 legs. So they are called as hexapoda. Next one, the thorax contain a 1 or 2 pairs of wings is present or wings is absent. 1 pair or 2 pairs of wings presenting on the insect or wings are the absent. Next one, respiratory organs are the trachea. Respiratory organs are the trachea. Next one, excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs are the Malpighian tubules. So the development is indirect development. Development is the indirect development. Indirect development means presenting on the larval stages. Example, cockroach, butterflies, houseflies. So they are the class 4 insecta. So they are subphylum Mandibulata divided into 4 classes. So these 4 classes is completed. First one, crustaceans completed. Second one, chelopoda completed. Third one, diplopoda is completed. Fourth one, insecta is completed. Complete Arthropoda is completed. Next class discuss phylum mollusca.